Whenever somebody asks me, whenever somebody says to me, Abdullah, you are a trainer, you're a public speaking trainer, you give advices, suggestions, tips that how to be a public speaking trainer, speaker, entrepreneur, businessman, as well as leader. I really feel very, very amazed that, excuse me, they admire me. They believe in me that yes, I can transform their personality. Today, I'm going to give you those tips that you want to be a leader. I have met many people, they say, I want to be a leader. He wants to be a leader, she wants to be a leader, I want to be a leader, you want to be a leader. But my dear friends, as someone said that, before being a leader, first of all, be a reader. Reader of books, reader of magazines, newspapers, readers of mind, readers of thoughts, psychology, readers of people's emotions. Whenever you study about people's emotions, really you're going to win and you're going to be the effective leader in this world. The people who don't understand the emotions of the people, they can't be a leader. They can be, I know, a businessman. In direct business they can do, but they cannot come in the people's heart. A person who comes, who gets swayed in heart, in emotion of someone, he is a real leader. He is a real leader. How to become a leader? First of all, whenever I go somewhere, people touch my feet, people admire me. People say, Abdullah sir, you are Abdullah sir. People say that. Really, I don't believe that they're calling me, or they're calling someone else. They're calling me or they're calling someone else. I believe in one quality, understanding the people's emotion as my emotion, understanding the people's problem as my problems, understanding the people's love as my love, understanding the people's anger as my anger, frustration as my frustration. Whenever I teach any student, whenever I give training anywhere, any trainee, anybody in this world, I think that his problems are my problems. I understand that his transformation is my transformation. I understand that his changes are my changes. I always admire this. I always adore this. I always accept this. Yes, this is the right thing. I always believe. My friends, really, I just, in front of camera, I never say that I have transformed thousands of people's life. But I just want to say that, even people admire me. People just, see me and they admire. They say, so Abdullah sir, you said that, one sentence, I remember that. So Abdullah sir, you told in that video that thing, I remember that. I really get shocked. I think that I just make videos, people watch that and forget that. But people really remember one sentence, one word, one talk, one discussion, one conversation. I really get very emotional that time. My friends, in the last, I would not like to give you so much lecture, so long lecture, boring lecture, but I want to tell you that you want to be a leader, come. Be a leader, be an effective person, try to lead CLV, customer lifetime value, just employment lifetime value, employees lifetime value. If you understand your employees' problems, your employees will understand your customer problem. If you can manage your employees will manage your customers. And if you can manage this, you can be an effective leader. A person is promoted. A person is promoted in a company, in an industry, in a school, in a college, in a coaching center, in an university. Why is he promoted? Why is she promoted? Because he has leadership qualities, she has leadership qualities. Without having leadership quality, a person is not promoted. Everybody, many people in this world, they come together in the same company, but a person goes and the manager seat and he sits on the seat and a person is working under them. How is it possible? Because it is possible because of their transformation. It is possible because of their dedication. It is possible because of their passion. It is possible because of their compassion. It is possible because of their obsession, their curiosity, their urging power. They're really a dedication, a hardworking, attitude. Attitude of hardworking pays you a big altitude in your life and always pays you a big gratitude. The people pay you gratitude, my dear friends. I always believe this. You must believe this. I have not given you so many and so much things, but I want to say that understands people's problem as your problems, contribute in their happiness, involve in their happiness, their sadness, their anger, their crisis, their problems, and understand their problems, try to solve their problems, go with them, stand by them, understand their problems. Really, you are going to win their hearts, and you're going to really make the space in their hearts, and they will remember you for lifetime, forever, and they will think you as a super leader. You are not a politician. Don't be a politician, be a leader. When you be a leader, people will remember you. If you be a politician, only you will be the boss of a party, but not the boss of the hearts. If you be a leader, you will be the boss of the hearts and emotions and feelings. Thank you so much. Be a leader.